Let's talk about healthcare for a minute, and especially regarding smoking. Of course, cigarette smoking has been demonstrated to cause cancer not only firsthand, but also with secondhand smoke. And also studies have shown that third-hand smoke, in other words, the residue from cigarettes that gets on walls, couches, and whatever, can also cause damage to human bodies and infants. But vaping, this is a new thing. This has only been around for, 10 years or so. It's now on the market, and it's gotten quite big quite fast. In the old days, cigarette smoking really, they said, all right, you've got a 1 in 4 chance of dying from smoking from cigarettes. And it would take usually decades for that to occur. Not a good way to die, because the number of diseases and disorders that are associated with smoking are quite extraordinary and dramatically increase healthcare costs. But vaping is new and interesting because it introduces different types of toxins and heavy metals into the body. We don't know all the impacts of that, but we already know that we've reduced the time span from decades and dying from cigarette smoking to months or even a few years by vaping. So vaping is a very efficient mechanism to kill you if you're interested in going that way. Now, I don't recommend it, of course. I think it's unhealthy, but people think it's cool, so they do it anyway. But the reality is, when you're smoking cigarettes or vaping, you're doing a couple of interesting things. You're killing yourself and making other people rich. And that's basically it. You get to make them rich so they can have bigger salaries. They can buy more cars and islands and whatever they want to buy, the executives at the tobacco companies. And you get to die, usually in a very unpleasant way. So if you're smoking, you might want to think about that more carefully. I understand it's very addictive. I used to smoke as well. And it's not good at all. It hurt me a lot, and I hope it doesn't hurt you, because I hope you quit. But quit sooner than later, because the longer you smoke, the more dangerous it gets. I'm John Reisman, and this is Centrist News and Perspectives.